6 minus 2 is 4. Divide by this 2, it will give us 2. Multiply by this 6, it will give us 12. This answer is wrong because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division has the same order of priority. We evaluate from left to right. In this equation, we do the division first before we do multiplication, and finally we do subtraction. So minus 2 divided by 2 will give us minus 1. So we bring down this 6 and then we'll bring down this multiplication by 6. Minus 1 times 6 will give us minus 6. So we have 6 minus 6, which will give us 0. So the correct answer to this equation is 0. That is all for now. Bye-bye.